Miss Rana from Palestine.
Yes, I am.
Welcome to Jogja.
Oh, thank
I am Jono.
Thank you. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Are you here to pick me up?
Yes, but I'm not using pickup, but mini
A
car.
mini car?
Yes. Come on.
Okay.
Let me bring it.
Oh yeah, thank you so much.
Okay. Monggo.
A mango?
No, not mango. I mean, please come in.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Okay. Yes. So, what you recent visit Jogja, Miss Rana? You traveling or working?
Oh, I'm here to explore Yogyakarta because I think Yogyakarta is a really beautiful city.
Oh, I see, I see. Picnic, right? Yes. Anyway, you won't have a lunch first or go to the hotel?
Oh no, I think I'm very tired. I want to go to my hotel and rest first.
Okay. We go to the hotel. Let's go to the hotel.
By the way, do you have a guidebook about Yogyakarta? Because this is my first time in here and I think it will help me to find information for the best destination.
Guidebook? I don't have it. But wait. I have a video. You must watch it. It's about Jogja.
Oh, thank you.
The universe gives beauty to every curve of the hills and the vastness of the ocean, leftovers from the magma overflow of ancient volcanoes tens of millions of years ago on the land of Java. Nature provides a wealth of crops from every inch of land, giving the breath of life for the people of Yogyakarta. Tradition flows from every vein, becoming a culture that is inherent in the heart of the people of Yogyakarta. Help each other. Respect each other. Be polite and maintain values. The noble morals of the ancestors became the main guideline for life. Wealth for the people of Yogyakarta is to have mental and physical health, have a high sense of brotherhood, and have kindness in life. The heyday began hundreds of years ago, leaving various traces of splendor as part of belief. More than 20 temples are scattered in various corners of Yogyakarta. Prambanan, the largest Hindu temple in Indonesia, which was built in the 9th century, is still standing strong and is one of the grandest temples in Southeast Asia. The Ramayana epic is presented in a stunning ballet performance. Yogyakarta was built on a philosophical foundation by Sri Sultan Hamengkubuwono I, the first king of the Yogyakarta Palace. the cosmological axis of Yogyakarta and its historical landmark strung from the Krapiak stage, Yogyakarta Palace. Tugu Yogyakarta is a picture of the series of human life, from birth through maturity to preparing for death. The journey of life is also reflected in an imaginary line that straightly connects from Mount Merapi, Tugu Yogyakarta, Yogyakarta Palace, Krapiak Stage, and Yogyakarta South Sea. The preserved tradition is a symbol of the strength of the people of Yogyakarta in maintaining harmony with nature and always strengthening their faith by drawing closer to God, the creator of the universe. Every movement has a meaning and philosophy in the art and culture that is always shown. Graceful implies polite manners wrapped in beauty. Valor is a symbol of strength and wading through the arc of life. Nature is a source of life and an enchanting destination. Wading through the cool mountains, exploring in the silence of nature. Unite with a variety of biodiversity, feel the purity of nature with a serene atmosphere. Stepping on the shoreline, stepping on the softness of the sand, the waves crashing incessantly. Here we enjoy the beauty of the sunset on the western horizon. History is a legendary story that is still maintained today. The splendor in every relief tells about past life, presented beautifully in every corner of the temple. Tourist attractions stimulate adrenaline and provide an unforgettable experience. Descend into a vertical cave with glowing light from heaven, with exotic walls carved by nature. Surfing with local residents provides endless excitement on Wadiambo Beach. We invite you to be a part of our life, making batik, carving, creating a masterpiece of art with Yogyakarta characteristics. Yogyakarta always presents art attractions with various uniqueness. Dance with us, feel the experience that will become a story in every show. Yogyakarta presents beauty, greets with hospitality, and gives memories in every trip. Welcome to Yogyakarta.
Derek langkung, Mas.
Nggih, monggo Mas. Monggo Mbak.
Mas Rana, sit down please.
Okay, thank
I
you.
will take you welcome drink.
Okay, thank you.
Yes.
الو ايوه السلام عليكم. ايوه الحمد لله وصلت بالسلامة. انا شوية واكلمكم. يلا مع السلامة.
Miss Rana, this is welcome drink for you.
Oh, thank you so much.
This is the name Wedang Uwo. Garbage drink.
Garbage drink.
I mean, this is healthy drink. Healthy drink is good.
Thank you so much.
Okay.
Yeah, good. So when we passed by the staff, what did you tell them?
Derek langkung.
In direct language?
No. Derek langkung is like excuse me.
Oh.
Yes, in Japanese. Yes, excuse me, like that.
Oh, I see. It seems like it's very interesting to stay in Jogja. There is many culture and people are so polite. I think I will stay longer to explore more of the culture.
Miss Rana, if you stay in Jogja for a long time, do you will be a Wong Jogja? And I call you Mbak Rana.
Wow, that's very interesting.
Good, very nice.